Hello everyone, my name is Marcus and these are my team members for the web-based systems development project. Me and my team has developed a web page called Picker for You, which is an online store for Pokemon trading card games. First of all, we will see the interface for the images that will slide over time. It will slide over time, or you can manually just click the arrows on both sides of these pictures. And also, we do apply the CSS styling to make the images slides. Now, as we proceed further down, we can see the products for our store. Mostly are just trading card games products. Now, as you move the mouse to forward to the products, the images will slightly enlarge it, so you will have a better view of the product. Now, we do sell single cards, supply decks, collection box, plus toys, keychains, and badges. Now, if you do not, if you do not want to waste your time or you want to save time, you can go ahead and press search for the products based on the categories up here, like say the cards, special edition packs, keychains, toys, and badges. Now let's go ahead and press profile, and of course it says that you have to log in before you can view your profile, otherwise what profile are they going to view? Alright, same applies to transaction details. Now there's a contact us button that you can help us locate us. So far there are three stores available, and you can go ahead and contact us by filling up your username, email, and the comments you want to give about the online store, and send the image. Now we'll go forward to shopping cart, and it will shows that it is empty because there is none products being purchased at the moment. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the database. We already preset 4 users. For the type 1 is the admin, and the type 2 is the normal users. We preset this for all these 4 users in the database. So now let's go ahead and log in. Sign up an account. If the existing users does have an account, you can just log in now by pressing the login button. Now, if I do not fill in any of the fields in here, and I will go ahead and straight press register, it will ask me to fill up the field that is required. It says the star is the required field, and apparently all of this text field is required to be filled in. Now, let's fill in a user for now. Contact number. Also, my bad. Pallet town. Password. And register. And it says register successfully. Now let's take a look at the database and see whether it's there or not. It will straight include in a database. Now let's go ahead and log in. Just now we put Ash as the username. Now if I key in the wrong password, it will say incorrect password. So let's go ahead and log in using the account we just created. and it will say once if you're successfully logged in, it will says welcome and your username. Now after you log in as Ash, we can go ahead and purchase the products. Let's say you have two ways to purchase the products. First of all is just simply add to cart, and it will shows you the product you purchased, quantity 1. And let's continue and add a few more cards in it. Let's say we add the same one again, and as you can see, it increments the quantity to 2. Now let's put in a few more. Say let's put on one more. Yeah. Now there are 4 products that I just pressed just now. So there's another way of purchasing the products by simply pressing on the image, and it will shows you the details of the products, and you can add to cart here. And as you can see, there's all the products that you add to cart is recorded here as now. If you are not satisfied with one of the products, you can simply just delete it, one of it, and it will be deleted from the list. You can also for some reason you do not want the products you add to cart just now, you can just simply press the delete all button, and it will show the cart is empty again. Now let's add in a few more. Add in the products to a few more products. And after you're satisfied with what you purchase and add to cart, you can just press the checkout button over here. It will shows you your order summary, how much the discount and the total. If you're still not satisfied, you can go cancel and go back again to revise your shopping cart. Now let's continue on, and you can see you get to fill in all the necessary stuff. All this user details are already predefined from when that account is being registered. You can choose your payment type either by Visa, Masterbank, or Bank In. Now fill in the card number. Then confirm the payment after you make sure everything is done. And it will say once it is successful, it will say thank you, transaction complete. Now let's go ahead and see if the database has recorded the payment. And yeah, there it is. Now the payment has been confirmed. Now let's go ahead and see if the user wants to change the profile. You can go ahead and press the profile. Now these are all the profile name, the details, the personal details of the users. Now if the users wanted to update their profiles, you can just simply press the update profile. Okay, let's try if the user key, for some reason the user key is wrong. His first name keying in wrongly for some reason, which is highly unlikely. Let's change the first name to Gary and the last name to Oak, and let's press update and see if it's changes. Now yeah, for here it is changes. Let's go ahead and see the database whether it is changed or not. Yeah, it does change. Now as for transaction details, they also can make changes by the contact number, either the contact number or the shipping address. For now we'll change the shipping address. Sorry. Now the address is being changed. Okay, now let's continue on to the administration. Let's log out from Ash's account first and log into the admin's account. So basically what the admin does is he can manage the user's account, manage the inventory, and also view payment details. Now let's go ahead for manage user's account first. The admin could change the details of the one of the users. Let's go ahead and update Ash's profile first, and let's say let's update the contact number. Yeah, it's been now, as you can see, it's being updated. Now the admin could also add in a user, which is also function the same as sign up, but in this case it's the admin does it. Now let's go ahead and put uh, an account. And as you can see, the new account has been added to the list of the accounts. Admin could also delete the profile, the account of the user, like this. And as you can see, the account we just add has been deleted. Now let's go to manage inventory, and these are the products we have in our inventory. And the admin could add in a new inventory to be sold on the store. Like let's say, let's try in Magic Card EX. I hope 100. Oops, sorry. Now, since you can choose the category, so let's put in the card since it is a card. And we can browse for the file, the image of it, and add it to it. And as you can see, it is added to the list of products. Now, oh dear, look, if there happens to be a mistake, like actually this is a Gyarados, not a Magic Card. So if the admin could edit the details of the card that is being sold. Now we just put this on to edit just the name, and we update it, and as you can see, it's been updated. Now the admin could also, oh yeah, now let's go ahead and see if the product is being shown in the home page. And as you can see, it's been shown here. The admin could also delete the inventory, the items from inventory. Let's try delete the one we just added, and it's been deleted from the list. And let's see if the home is still there. Nope, it's gone. It's been deleted. Next, the admin could go to view the payment details of the purchase made. This is the one that we made the purchase from just now. Now let's try deactivating an account. Let's go ahead and deactivate Ash's account. Well, for the admin to deactivate an account, just simply press the deactivate button. Now let's try logging in using Ash's account. Now as you can see, it will says that your account has been deactivated by the admin. So as long as the admin does not reactivate the account, Ash would not be able to log into his account. Now, as a bonus features for this website, we do have a search function over here. It is able to search for the products that we are selling in the store. Like for example, let's search for alakazam, and there you can see not only is the products from the cart, it also includes badges as well. Now let's try Espion, and yeah, as you can see, it will search up the cart. Now let's try something that is not Pokemon. Now let's, for example, Harry Potter, and it will not show any results. Now for the second part of the bonus features, this web page is responsive. Um, so when we decrease the size of it, as you can see, it fits to the size of the window and it fits nicely. So that's about it for our web page, and thank you. Hope you enjoy.